Welcome to the World Snack Tasting event by TopMunch. We've been waiting for this event for a very long time, and here it is. Now we have snacks from all around the world, from Germany, from Austria, from Thailand, from India, from China, basically all over the world, and you're invited to the party. Thanks for coming. So what we're going to do right now is have a snack tasting event where we will blindfold our volunteers and make them test a snack from somewhere around the world, and they won't know how it would taste until they taste it, and we are going to capture their emotions and record it live and have fun. Oh yeah, you broke it. Now don't eat the plastic. What?
It's sour. And plastic is good. I'm alive. It's good. Wow.
I won't tell anyone what we're doing, but I'll show to you what we're doing to him. You cannot see anything. Okay. So where do you think the cookie is from?
All the cookie at all. So I'm getting all the ingredients now in my mind. So I'm in my plane to search which country it is from. Somewhere from Asia.
Asia? Dude, he doesn't know anything.
Is it not from Asia?
Absolutely not. The country name starts with I.
India? Not Asia. Is right?
Oh yeah, you got
Woohoo!
So,
It's really tasty.
good?
Yeah.
Here you go. Is it tasty? You like it? Wow, look at this. Amazing. Navya, can you try it? Is it good? Then you will know, so I don't want to do this.
This tastes good. It's spicy snack. I'm from India. Did they mix multiple snacks in there? I think it's a couple of items. Two of them.
Two of them.
I think this is Indian. What do you think?
It's spicy. It's some from Asia, maybe from India.
You got it right.